Hey everyone, welcome back to Themehunk. In this video I am going to show you how to change permalinks in WordPress URL. First log in to your WordPress dashboard. After login, go to in the left hand menu. Hover over settings. Then click on permalinks. Permalinks play a crucial role in the structure of your website's URLs and how they are displayed to users and search engines. WordPress offers several permalink structure options. Here are some common ones. Plain, not recommended for SEO or user-friendly. Day and name, includes the date and post name. Month and name, includes the month, year, and post name. Post name, uses only the post name, recommended for most sites. Custom structure, you can define your own structure using placeholders like %postname % for the post name, %category % for the category, etc. If you choose the custom structure option, you can define your own permalink structure. For example, using blog per %postname % will include the blog prefix before the post name. After selecting your preferred permalink structure or customizing it, scroll down and click the Save Changes button. WordPress will automatically update your permalink structure, and your old URLs will redirect to the new structure. After changing your permalink structure, it's very important to test your site thoroughly. Click on different links, both old and new, to ensure they are working as expected. Congratulations! You have successfully changed permalinks in your WordPress URL structure. I hope this video will helpful for you to understand the how to change permalinks in WordPress URL. If you have any question, you can ask via comment section, or you can also contact us anytime.